welcome back in today's mathematics class. Today we are going to start our further question of the same exercise 11.2 because in the last exercise we have done part 1 of this exercise in which we have done 1 to 7 question. Now in this video we will be proceeding further with the question number 8. Okay, and the introduction is same because the exercise is same only. In this we are doing the quadrilateral area, and quadrilateral we have trapezium and rhombus, and I hope you have learned both the formulas, right? So let's start with the question number 8. Mohan wants to buy a trapezium field. Its side along the river is parallel to the twice the side along the road. Student, see, Mohan wants to buy a trapezium field shape, right? And both sides are parallel because this one side is road, one side is river, and they both are parallel. And length is also given. What is that? That twice the side along the road. Along the road side we have river. It means if road side is x, so the river side will be twice of it, that is 2x. Right, student? And next line is, if area is this, it means area of this trapezium is given to you and the perpendicular distance is 100 meter. It means height is also given to you of these both parallel sides. Right? What is the question? Find the length of the side along the river. It means this 2x you need to find out, the length of 2x. Right? So very simple, student. So first of all, trapezium it is, so area of field you can say, or area of trapezium is half a plus b into h. Area is given to you 10500 meters square. Half a is, student, x, because this side is a, second side is 2x. So x plus 2x into h, 100 meter. So student, 10500 meters square, it's just calculation only, x plus 2x, 3x into 100 meter, so it will cancel out 50 meter. So we need to find out x value because it is 2x. When we will find out x value, then ultimately we will multiply with 2, we will get the length of this river side, right? So let's start. You know, student, how to do? Both terms will shift that side. 15 multiplication, it will go in division into 3 is equals to x. 3 is also in multiplication, it will go in division, right? 0 will cancel out 0, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 0. So 3 ones are 3, 3 sevens are 21, 0. So it means x value is 70 meter. But we want 2x value, means river side length. Right? So the side along the river will be 2x given to, that is 2 into 70 meter is equals to 140 meter. That's it, student. This type of question already we have done in question number 2. Right? So you just need to understand the question what is asking. Rest the calculation is very simple only. Right? So this was about question number 8. I hope you got. So now coming to our next question. Coming to our question number 9, student. Understand it carefully. Top surface of a raised platform is in shape of a regular octagon. One figure is given to you which is octagon. Okay. Find the area of octagon surface. Means this area, this octagonal surface area you need to find out. How, student? We don't have a formula for the octagonal, right? But see, if you will see this figure, see it carefully. Just see. 1, we have surface. See, 1, 2, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 sides, right? If we divide it into parts, means I am going to divide into this and into this. Means 1, 2 and 3. I am going to divide this octagonal figure into 3 parts. Now see, the first part and third part, it is in the shape of trapezium, in this shape, right? And down one also, it is in trapezium shape, and in the middle, it is in rectangle shape, right? So, area of trapezium, you know, area of rectangle, you know, and all three areas you will add up, then you will get the area of octagonal. Right, student? We can divide the figure into parts, and then we can add all the given areas, right? And area of trapezium also you know, and area of rectangle also you know. Right, students? So it's very simple now. So let's start. Area of octagonal surface is area of trapezium plus area of rectangle. Right, student? Right? Area of trapezium is half A plus B into H. But student, how many trapezium we have? 2. So we can write 2, right? Plus area of triangle is length into breadth. Now just put the values, because every value is given to you. See, first of all 2, half A plus B. Wait, what is A? This is A, student, 11 meter. What is B? This is B is 5 meter, and height. See, this perpendicular height is given to you H, that is 4 meter, plus length, student, 11 meter only, and breadth is 5 meter only. Right, students? So every value is mentioned to you. You just put and get the answer. See, 2 will cancel out with this 2. 11 plus 5, 16 meter into 4 meter. Plus 11 5s are 55 meter. Now student, 16 4s are 64 meter square plus 55 meter square. So 64 plus 55, 5 plus 4, 9, 11 meter square. It means the area of octagonal surface is 119 meter square. That's it. Very simple. Just we have divided the octagonal surface into the 3 parts, and the values we know. Let's put the value and get the answer. I hope student you understood this question. So this was about question number 9. and coming to our next question. Now student, coming to our question number 10. There is a pentagonal shaped park. For finding its area, Jyoti and Kavita divided it into 2 different ways. And you have to find out the area of park in both the ways. Student, this is a pentagonal park is given to you, okay? And 2 different people, Jyoti and Kavita, divided this park into 2 different ways. How? See, Jyoti had, this is a pentagonal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay? And the Jyoti has divided, she has divided in this way. Okay, 2 trapezium we got, and the Kavita divided this pentagonal shape in this way. And in this way, what we have figured, this is triangle and this is square. Right, student? And all the formulas you know, area of trapezium you know, area of triangle you know, and area of square you know. And the values, every value is mentioned to you. Okay, student. So let's start. First of all, this Jyoti one diagram. This is Jyoti's diagram, and this is Kavita's diagram. Right? So let's start. First of all, for Jyoti, the area of pentagonal field will be, student, area of what? Write down name A, B, C, D, E and then F. Right? Okay. So first of all, A, B, C, D. The area of A, B, C, D plus area of A, E, F, D. Right, student? Both trapezium we have. Okay. So the formula is half base. A, B, C, D. The first side is AB plus BC, and the height is CD. Right, student? Because see, parallel side and perpendicular distance. Right? For the second trapezium, EF and AD plus half EF plus AD, and the height will be be DF. Right, student? DF will be the height. I hope you understood. As per the given, we just written over there the things. Okay. So let's start the calculation. Half AD is, student, AD. This A to D is given to you 30 meters. See in this original figure. This AD. This is 30 meter. 30 plus BC. This BC is given to you 15 meter. 15 into CD. CD is not given to you. So write down like this only, plus half EF. EF again 15 plus AD is 30 only, and DF. Where is DF? Again we don't know, so write down DF only. Right? Now what we will do? As you can see, half 30 plus 15, half 30 plus 15. This is common only. CD and DF is not common. So take out the common only, or you can solve it. Half 30 plus 15, 5, 45. Inside will be CD plus DF. Are you getting my point, student? In both the things, this half 50 plus 30 we took out, and inside remains CD plus DF only. Right? Now see, we have half into 45. Now see, students, CD plus DF. CD plus DF. This full length become, it is given to you 15. Full length is given to you 15. This half we don't know. So CD plus DF become full length. So that is 15 meter into 15 meter. And this, with this also 1 meter is there. Right? Now do the calculation. 45 into 15 is 675 divided by 2 meters square. So when we will divide, 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. 2 7s are 14 and 2 5s are 10. So 337.5 meters square is the area of this Pantone field as per the Jyoti's diagram. Right, student? Very simple. Now let's start with the Kavita's diagram. For the Kavita's diagram, Kavita has divided in this manner. One is triangle and one is square. Right? So you will write as per the Kavita's diagram, right? First of all, the area of pentagonal field is, pentagonal field will be area of, student, what will be the area? Area of triangle. Name also you can write A, B, C, D, E. So area of triangle ABC plus area of square BCDE. BCDE. Right? Now put the values. Area of triangle is half base into height plus area of square is side square. That is side square. Okay? So let's start. Half base is, student, this is a base and this is the length, because see, length will be same only, right? So 15 meter and height h. This is the h, student. This h. This we don't know. But see, have a look. This full length we know. Yahan se yahan tak. It is 30. See, this full is given to you 30. Okay. And this half till here. This full is given to 30 and from here to here is given to 15. It means ye kitna hoga? 30 minus 15. That is 15 only. Got it, student? See, this length we have to find out, no? This height. Total is given to 30 and this half is given to 15. So this much will be 15 only and total will be 15 plus 15, 30. Got, student? So the height will be 15 meter plus side square. So any side you can take, either BD or CE. It will be same only. That is 15 into 15. Right? So let's start the calculation. Into 15 into 15, 225 meters square plus 225 meters square. 1s are 2, 2 1 2, 2 5s are 10. So it will be 112.5. So 112.5 plus 225 meters square. Now we'll add, student. We'll get 733 33.5. So it means we got, as per the Kavita's diagram, 337.5. For Jyoti's also it was, and for Kavita's also. It means the area is same. Always the areas will be same because we have divided the same shape into different ways. So area तो change नहीं होगा ना. So God student, किसी भी एक particular figure को आप कैसे भी different way में उसे mold करो, area will not change only. So you got this thing. What we have, this is just a complicated question, lengthy question, but the thing is same only. Every time you have to put the formula and put the values into it, but right calculation should be there. So God student, this question is very simple only. Shape को दो बार divide किया, first of all in horizontal and then in vertical. जो भी figure बनी है, accordingly we put the formula and values already mentioned to you. So that's it student. I hope you understood this question. So this was about our question number 10. Now coming to our next question. Coming to our question number 11 student. Please understand carefully because this question, only one question I am giving you homework. But I am going to discuss on how to do. So understand it carefully. You have to solve this question by your own. Okay. So diagram of the adjacent frame has outer dimensions 24 into 28. This figure you have outer and inner. So outer dimension is given to 24 into 28 and the inner dimension is given to 16 into 20. Right? Find the area of each section if the width of each section is same. What is each section student? As you can see this figure is divided. It's having how many sections? See, 1, 2, 3 and 4. See. 4 sections we have. This is why it is asking to find the area of each section. Section 1, section 2, section 3 and section 4. And the width is same. Width same means this if from here out upper if the width is 2 meter, from down also it will be 2 meter. If left to right it will be 3, so here is also. So width is same all around. Okay. So you have to find out these 4 sections. How you will find out student? See carefully, when we see this section 1 and section 3, both will be same. It means when you will find out the area for 1, the width is same for 3 only. So you will write down the area of section 1 and 3 and similarly area of section 4 and 2 because width is same in left side or right side, so it means they are equal. Okay, so you will find out the area of section all together, area for section 3 and 4 and 2. Right? Now formula student, which formula you will write down? This is the shape of trapezium only. Everywhere the shape of trapezium only, it means you will put the formula trapezium formula, half a plus b into h. You have to be focused what is A, what is B and what is H. Right student? So this thing you will see. The calculation part only you will do. Roughly I told you how to do section 1 and section 3, section 4 and section 2 having the same area. Formula I told you. Okay. So I am going to tell you for one part. Suppose for one part. Fine. A, this is outer one portion student. What is A? This one. So this one will be 24. So 24. B is this one. A is 24. This and B is this one. Parallel side. So this is 16 meter is given to you. So 24 and 16. Into H. What is H student? This will be H. But height is not given to you. Now understand carefully. This full height is given to you 28. Right? Full is given to you 28. And this much, interior this much is also given to you 20. So 28 minus 20 will be 8. So this 8 is this plus this. Are you getting my point? It means 8 is total this height and this height. But we want only this edge. So 8 ka half is 4. So the height will be 4 centimeter. Now calculate it. 4 plus 20, 24, 24 plus 4, 28. So the total is 28 only. Got student? So in this manner you will find out height for everywhere. For inside one also and for outside one also. Got student? For one, I told you how to take out the calculation. A is this, B is already given to you, height we found. Got it student? In the same manner for 4 and 2 you will take out the values first, put into it and get the answer. I hope student you understood how to solve this question. So this is just homework for you. If you don't, then we will discuss the same question in the Google class. Right student? But please try it by yourself. Try to solve this question. I told you everything how to solve. Okay, so this was about our question number 11, and with this question we have completed our exercise 11.2. I hope you understood this whole exercise. In this we just have the formulas of trapezium and the rhombus. You just have to focus on the given figure, take out the values and put into the formulas and get the answer. So practice these questions student, because these topics are very important. So that's all for today's class. We will be meeting in the next class with next exercise. So till then, thanks so much for watching. Bye bye students and take care.